All right, my people. Got to get you guys off those couches and moving during this time. So we'll go through our warm up. We'll move a little bit. It's not going to be that long, maybe 15 minutes. So yeah, here we go. Let's get started. So we'll go straight up, both arms up, sides of your ears. Go up, up, up. Get nice and tall. Nice and tall. Good, good. Now we're going to go down to your left, my right. This way we're going to go down, down. Keep those arms up above your head. At the side of your ears, you're going to bend straight to the side, straight to the side. Good, good. Up. And then we're going to go down other way, other way, other way. That is my left, your right, if you're following me. Good. Back up. We'll go straight back. Straight back. Good, and then we'll go straight forward. Straight forward. All right. Jumping jacks. We'll go 10. 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. We'll go neck stretches. You're just going to go from side to side, side to side, side to side. 4, 6, and 7. Good. Now we'll go forward, back, and I'll stand sideways so you can see me going forward, back. Chin down the chest, and then look all the way up. Forward, and then back. Chin all the way down, and back. Forward, back, forward, back. Good. Now we'll go circles, neck circles. So go one way, circle. So ear to shoulder, all the way back. So you're looking up, ear to other shoulder, and then chin to chest. Round. Good. All right, then we'll go the other way, other way. 2, 3, 6, 7. All right, good. 2 feet together, jump ropes. So just keep those feet together, or they can be a little open, whatever you're comfortable with. And we'll go jump ropes. Let's go with 10 jump ropes, 10 jump ropes, or a 10 count of jump ropes. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Shoulders up, down. Shoulders up, down. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Forward, back. Forward, back. I'll stand sideways so you can see me. Forward, back. Go. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we'll go shoulder circles, and we'll go backwards first. Shoulder circles. And shoulder circles forward. So go in the opposite direction now. Opposite direction. Good. Now we'll go 1 foot jump ropes. 1 foot jump ropes. We'll go for a 10 count also. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. So next, get your feet shoulder width apart. So it's going to be, if my shoulders are here, my feet should be right directly below them. Okay, not too open, not too open. Shoulder width. We're going to bend those knees a little bit, just slightly. Get those elbows out, and we will do our twist. So when we twist, make sure when you're going one direction, you're going to reach all the way into that direction. And then we will switch, and we'll go the other way. All right? Here we go. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now around the world. So you can put your arms, some people like to put their hands on their hips. Some people like to keep their arms up. Keep your feet right where they're at, shoulder width apart. And we'll go from the side, then we'll go forward. We'll go to the other side, and then we'll go back. Side, forward, other side, back, side, forward, other side, back, side, forward, other side, back, side, forward, side, back. Now we're going to switch directions. Side, forward, other side, back, 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 side, forward, side, and back. Good. Now, 1 foot jump ropes again. Now we'll do the other foot. So whatever foot you used the first time, now I want you to use the other foot, other foot. We'll go for a 10 count. Go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Good. 2 feet together. 2 feet together. We're going to stretch. We're going to go down to our toes. And I'll stand sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Try not to bend your knees too much. You can bend them slightly, just a little bit, or keep them straight. So we're going to reach on up and then down. Reach all the way to your toes, all the way to your toes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Now, I'm going to do the same type of stretch, but now you're going to take 1 foot, you're going to put it over the other foot. So you're going to cross your legs, cross your feet. We'll go up and reach down. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Switch them up now. Switch. So whichever foot was over, now that one is going to be behind. Switch them up. Up. Deep breath in and let that out. When you reach down, reach. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Now, legs open. Okay, don't go too open. Whatever you're comfortable with. This one is a little wider than shoulder width apart. Okay, so you have your legs open. We're going to reach on up. Then we're going to reach down to our foot. We're going to try to go all the way down to our foot, our shoe, but if you can't go that far, you can just go down to your lower leg. So we're going to reach with both arms, with both hands. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Now, stay there. I'm going to keep one hand down. You're going to keep, I'm going down to my right, so I'm going to keep my right arm there. I'm going to take my other arm, and I'm going to put that arm straight up, and I'm going to try to look at my hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now, you're going to come straight up, but leave those arms out. So you're going to come straight up. Arms are going to be here, okay? Now, the same direction you went in, so I was going down to my right, which is on this side. I'm going to take that toe, and I'm going to point it, okay? And then the toe that's pointed, now that knee, I'm going to bend that knee in that direction, and we're going to bend down, bend down, bend down, and we're going to keep this position for a 10 count. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Back up. Fix that toe. Arms back up. Now we're going to do in the other direction, and we're going to reach down, go, reach with both hands, try to get all the way down to that foot, to your shoe, or your lower leg, however far you can go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Now, arm up, so your chest is open, so you're going to go up and you're going to look at that hand. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. Now, arms, keep them open, whichever side you went to, and I went down to my left on this side. I'm going to point that toe, okay, then I'm going to bend that knee. I'm going to look in that direction also. So I'm going to bend, and I'm going to keep this back leg straight, keep those arms out. Good. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Good. All right, shake that up. All right, let's do some moving. So I want you to walk in place. But when you're walking, I want those knees to come up, like you're walking through snow, like some tall snow. So I'm gonna go sideways so you can see. I want those knees all the way up. So come up. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Nice and slow. You don't have to stomp either. I don't want people who, if someone lives below you, I don't want them complaining. So just on up. 5, 7, 9. Good. Now we're gonna pick it up a little bit and we're gonna go for a nice easy jog. Okay, nice easy jog. Let's go there for a 10 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Let's go back to jumping jacks. I didn't really explain jumping jacks the first time, but maybe I should explain them. Quite simple. Most of you know how to do them. You're here, and when you go up, and your arms are going to go all the way up, and mine usually touch, and at the same time, those feet are going to go open. So you're going to open, and then back down, and that's one jumping jack. So let's go, we'll go 25, and go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. All right, next one, jumps. Now, like in class when I tell you, we don't stomp when we jump. Okay, so nice and easy on your landings. So the first one is we're gonna go just forward back jumps. Your feet, some people like to have them close together. Some people like to have them a little open, shoulder width apart. It's whatever you're comfortable with. I'm gonna do it sideways so you can see what I'm doing. So all we're gonna do is go forward, and then you're gonna go back. Forward, notice when I go forward and back, how my arms swing. When I go forward, my arms swing forward. So I'm going forward, and then when I go back, my elbows swing back, back. Forward, nice and easy, back, forward. Those knees should be bent when you land. Nice, easy land, forward, and back. Okay, cool. Now, we're gonna go double time. So we're gonna go a lot faster. All right, here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Good. Same thing, but now we're going to go side jumps. So we'll go side, side, side. We'll go slow first. Side, side. Nine and 10. Good. Now, double time. So we'll go a lot faster. And we'll go on a 10 count. Okay? And back and forth is 1 time. So here we go. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Next one. I want you, and I'll stand sideways so you can see what I'm doing. But 1 foot is going to be forward, and then 1 foot is going to be back. Okay? And then when I say go, you're just going to switch places. So right now, my right foot is forward, my left foot is back. When I jump, they're going to switch. Where my left foot will be forward and my right foot will be back. Quite simple. Just like that. Okay? So we're going to go and make sure when you land, get those knees bent. Okay? So we're going to switch. Switch. Notice how when I go also, look how my arms go. They move with my feet. So if my one leg is back, that arm is forward. And then they also switch. Okay? Switch. 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 Switch, and switch. All right, double time. I'm gonna go as fast as you can. Here we go. And go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Good. Last one. I want you to run in place. We're gonna go for about 10 seconds. I want to say longer, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to last that long. So we'll go 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Run in place. Don't stomp on the floor. And go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew, all right. So at this point, I would think and I would hope if you did it correctly Now your breathing is a little harder. You're sweating a little bit. So we'll do a cool down. I don't want to take you too long and wear you guys too out. So we'll go in a nice cool down now. So reach on up. So breathe deep in through your nose, out your mouth, in, out, in, out. All right, next, I'll stand sideways. You're gonna pull one foot up. You're gonna try to balance on your other leg, and you're just gonna pull that knee towards your chest. If you fall, just put it down. Come right back up. Right back up. If you think you're gonna lose your balance, just put that leg down. Start right on over. Good. We'll go to the next one. The other leg. Bring it up. Give a little squeeze. Try to keep that balance. Good. All right. Next. Now we moved our legs forward. So now we're gonna bring them back. We're gonna try to grab. I'm gonna try to grab your foot and keep your balance. Like I said, if you lose your balance, you start hopping a little bit. But if you start really losing control, put it back down. Come right back up. 9 and 10. Good. We'll do the other leg. Down, back up. And 10. Good. All right. That's our time for today. I don't want to take you guys too much. I don't want to wear you out too much. But this is something very short and very easy that you can do every single day. And you should be doing it every single day to get, unless you go outside, you should be able to try to get outside, try to move a little bit. Don't get stuck on those couches doing nothing. Make sure to drink your water. Make sure to wash your hands. I miss you guys and hope to see you soon.